tubig.
Yes, ayun po yung basta sa dinadaanan natin, tubig lang po yan. Kasi from time to time, nililinis yung area. And yung mga tigers po, that's the only members of 10,000 who likes water. Ayan, hindi po yan ma'am, don't worry po, hindi po yan.
Para sila ng step mo.
And the tigers here, they are released at the tawid to
Galaw nila, no?
May ibig sabihin.
or by group. So later, during the ride, there are only 2 or 3 tigers that you can see. But that's because they really
Hello, tigers! Kung masama yung nasa taas, biglang magwiga! Magwiga! Bakit nilagay nyo pa ng elevate? Naka-elevate pa sila? Eh baka pag-iyan sa shower talaga. Hoy, ito daw ang...
Dali na!
May na po yan. Oh, ito nakakatakot! What's your name?
Sino sabi niya, sarap mong kainin.
How are you?
Grabe yung panel niya.
Manyak ko. Kailangan may movement ng dila. At saka yung body language. Body language. Manyak.